There are three vowels in American English everyone needs to watch. And these three vowels are actually from your first language. These. Hear the difference between those? These. Your language has an E sound, and English does too, but they sound a little
different.
The reason is placement. If I make the sound here, I feel my head moving, my teeth, my cheeks, my jaw. E. In American English, that doesn't happen. I don't want to feel any movement here. Instead, I want to feel the sound more here. E. Try this. Say E 5 times and move it lower each time. E, 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 E. Let's do that again, but this time all together. E. If that is difficult, breath might be the problem. English has a very open throat. I want lots of air to move through here. Your first language might be more closed. So let's do some breathing exercises and let's see what having more breath feels like. Put your hands on your ribs like this. These are your ribs right here. Now, breathe in and keep your shoulders down. What happens? Well, when you breathe in, your ribs move and your ribs get bigger. When you breathe out, your ribs get smaller again. When you talk, you want this sort of movement to happen, but a lot of people are not doing this. When they talk, they aren't using enough breath in English, so the ribs don't move. Watch. I'll say a sentence with less breath, then again with more breath. Hi, my name is Geoff. Hi, my name is Geoff. Here is an exercise you can do. Again, put your hands on your ribs, keep your shoulders down. Breathe in, ribs grow. Breathe out and say E. E. After you say E, keep the breath flowing out. Again. E. Do this again 3 times without stopping the breath. E. Now let's do a sentence with lots of E sounds. Put your hands on your ribs again. Don't stop the breath until the end of the sentence. Breathe in and breathe out. We keep sleeping on these sheets. Here's what the sentence would sound like with less breath and a higher placement. We keep sleeping on these sheets. We keep sleeping on these sheets. E is one of 3 vowels in English that your first language most likely has. The second is the U sound. Now, in your language, you might say something more like ooh, but watch my lips when I say it. Ooh. Notice, English wants more air to come through the throat. Your lips are not as important, so you can even smile and say it. Ew. Really straight. Let's practice getting more air with that same exercise we did earlier. Put your hands on your ribs. Breathe in. Now breathe out. Air moves even when you finish the vowel sound. Ooh. Again. Ooh. Let's add some letters. Oh, so soon. Oh, so soon. Be careful with soon. the N does not change the vowel sound. So soon is wrong. Soon is great. Soon. It's too soon to move rooms. Can you say everything with one breath moving through your throat like that? Ah is the last vowel. But your language may say something more like or you might be used to British English. For an American English accent, though, try to get more air through your throat again. Opening your mouth can help. With my tongue down, but it's not necessary. I can have my mouth more closed. Let's pair with some consonants. Ha, ba, ka, ma, on, ar, ox, Oz. Again, watch out for the letter N. On, pond, want, bond. I want hot pot on the pond. If it's still difficult to get breath through your throat, though, you'll want to watch this video here.